Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how you can insert cross symbol in Excel. If your keyboard has a separate numeric keypad like this one. So this is my on-screen keyboard. So for this you need to click on the target cell. Then you need to hold down this Alt key and press 0, 2, 1, 5 and release this Alt key. So in another way, you need to select the cell or the range of cells where you want the cross symbol. And then head to the found section, click on this and change the cell found to Wingdings 2. This is the Wingdings 2. And now press Shift plus S to insert the cross symbol in a box. Or you can press Shift plus O for a standard cross mark like this one. Once again Shift plus S for the cross symbol in a box and Shift plus O for a standard cross symbol. So this is pretty simple and easy. I hope you understand how you can insert cross symbol in Excel. If you think this video is helpful, please support my channel. Thanks for watching.